Good morning, adventurers. Welcome to Nassau Bahamas. You can see behind me the new cruise port, Fort Pendleton in the distance, the straw market, and the closest free beach. Let me spin this around and show you.
Hey guys, today we are going to show you what's new in 2024 in the terminal port. Come check it out. Watch till the end. I'll show you some special things.
One of the main differences we found is when you get off the boat here now in Nassau, you're not inundated with people trying to sell you something, take you on a cruise, braid your hair, or give you a taxi ride. You can walk around and choose and get what you want. If you decide to leave the complex, you go outside and then you can deal with them on Bay Street. We do suggest you get out of the port.
But one of the new things is the port is covered. We used to have to walk in the sun. Now they have shaded canopies all the way through, or rain. Right, now you're covered. So the first thing that greets you here is this nice LED screen giving you some good video footage. They have a museum of Junkanoo right here. So as you see right off the port, you don't have to go out to the main street anymore. You can get buses, terminals, ferries, rent golf carts right from here. Taxis to PI in Atlantis. PI is Paradise Island. So if you don't want to go into Bay Street, which we suggest you do, you can just get off the boat, come here through this privately protected area, shop. But the shops here are not going to be bargainable. They're not like the straw market across the street. But let's check out and see what they got.
Check it out. They call it luxury shopping. So we're going to get authentic Bahamian gifts. But remember, there's still the straw market. You can't let that go. But they're going to also pay premium dollars. So suppose you don't want to go into Bay Street, you have this luxury of doing it here. And you can do all kind of shopping. Love it. Some artists, Christmas decorations, flip-flops, food, of course, some drinking.
Welcome to the island.
Can't go wrong with some drinking. It's a pretty nice side. Not today. I feel like I'm home. It's a wonderful place.
I would think the bars here have a hard time selling drinks with people that have cruise packs.
Yeah, I bet.
But here they take credit cards.
So lots of spices, knickknacks, Christmas ornaments, all kinds of cute little bars set up. Over there they have hair braiding. But we're gonna go into the porter shop here, see what they have. It's very more a modernized gift shop. Bahari. So they have made this like more of a Americanized shopping center. But what's new is all the stores are open all the way to the end. It's completely filled. And down at the very end, there's going to be a concert later on. So make sure you come back. Stay tuned to the end. We're going to show you who's playing today. This is their brand new outside stage amphitheater. This is where they'll be putting on some shows later on today. We'll have to come back and check it out. There's the ship right behind the dock. We are the closest here today. Some of the ships in the back, you have to walk like 200-300 yards to get off the boat. We were the closest one, got lucky. They do have about 4 exits here all along the main street. So you can go out, walk all the way down to Senior Frogs or get off right here at Turtle Bay. And what we're heading to, here we are guys, out on Bay Street. We highly recommend you guys come down to Bay Street, check it out. All kinds of stores, shops, restaurants, everything Bahama. Like every island, you have your upgraded stores, Breitling, John Bull, Rolex, Titanium, And then everywhere the diamond stores are on every island where you get your charms. So here we have it divided into 4 sections: wood carvings, Western selection, center aisle, and Eastern section. This is the straw market. This is where you can kind of negotiate and hassle with them. You can do that in pretty much every store here in the Bahamas if it's not a chain store. These are in the little private. So we're here at about 10 o'clock in the morning. Half of the booths are open, but it's a lot of the same stuff. There's the cruise ship, guys. There's the port. And right here across the street is the straw market. This was built here about 10 years ago after the original straw market, which was actually straw, burnt down. All the way at the end, they have all the wood carvings. Pretty cool stuff. So over here, 1 block over, we have the Pirates of Nassau. It's a museum dating Blackbeard. This was Blackbeard's island, Nassau, Bahamas. Oh, here we are, guys. The Queen's Steps. It's about a 10-minute walk right off of Bayside into this tropical oasis. So this was carved out by slaves in the 1800s. It's thick coral rock. Fort Pendleton is at the top, and in order to get the Queen and her entourage from the dock, they carved this out of limestone rock.
Don't worry, be happy, and added 2 more stairs, making it 66, so they could walk themselves out of the depths of slavery back out into freedom. That's how this got the name, the Queen's Staircase. Each stairs represents the year that Queen Victoria ruled, except for the additional 2. Making a man-made waterfall on the left-hand side. It's off now due to malfunctioning, so if you guys know a good plumber, you could send him back for me. That was done with the ships. The reason being why, imagine, in the 1700s, there was nothing out there, and if you are passing by boat and you saw those forts with those cannons on them, you would assume that this is sea and not land. An illusion the British used. It goes from the top, coming down, finding its way to the dirt. It sows into the rock like a sewing machine.
Pendleton. This is a waterfall. I don't know why they don't have it on today. When the water's running in the tropical water and sounds, and they have a band down here, it's very, very tropical.
Welcome to the Canyon Pond, the Queen's Staircase, ladies and gentlemen. This here was all hand carved by slaves near 1812. It took about 600 slaves 16 years to hand carve this out. No copyright, no union to talk to. That's called Chisel and Hammers. On the right hand side, that's a man-made waterfall. July 10, 1973. That's when we got independent. And it's 90 feet deep and 50 feet wide. They take the rock from this stair to build the fort. But these are the groove marks on the wall. Most of the rocks are limestone.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anywhere do it.
So right here at the top of the fort, at the top of the Queen's, there's a craft market, restaurants. You could get some Bohemian beer or conch. So here is the fort, Fincastle. This was built in the shape of a ship, so that in the 1800s, when passing ships came by, they thought this was still the sea. That's the reason for the shape. And the cannons on the other side, you'll see when we get there.
Here is our home away from home, Atlantis on Paradise Beach. We're going to take a quick walk through the casino today, check out some of the crystals, and see what's going on outside in the lagoon. Please come back for full Atlantis casinos, which we will post after this one. Stay tuned.
So the ferry boat to Nassau is now $7, not $5. So we're gonna have to update the video. $7 from here to downtown Nassau, from Atlantis. So behind me you see the ferry we just took from Paradise Island. Over to here it is now $7, as we posted before in the video and you saw previous. And now we're headed to Senior Frog, get our drink.
Hey guys, this concludes our day in the Bahamas. Please like, subscribe, share. Tell us, leave us a comment and tell us what you think. Love you guys. See you on our next adventure.